Bomb a bit technical.
Oh my god. I've just wheelied the thing down the hill.
Be advised. Gas in front.
Here. Clips 80.
Nice ass.
I got you. I got you.
My
You're good. Sit tight.
Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going back to the Kilo meta. Obviously the Kilo meta is probably my most favorite meta of all time, I'm not gonna lie. The DMR's up there, but the Kilo, it just had something about it, and it was probably the most fun meta to use, and we are going back into it. Obviously the AUG did get nerfed, and a lot of people will be going back to old metas like the Kilo. Some people are using the DMR, the Growl, there's a load of classic MP5s, FFARs and stuff, but the AUG has got nerfed, and a lot of people are going back to the Kilo, including myself. I kind of do like the Kilo, bro, I'm not gonna lie. So I gave it a go in this video, and you're gonna be seeing some insane gameplay from the Kilo, bro. A load of funny defcoms, like, oh, he's so good, bro, and I slap the trio, bro. It's pretty fun. Make sure you guys are watching to the very end, because the class setup is there. I don't want any skippers, and make sure you guys are coming over to my Twitch page, twitch.tv/xapplezzbusiness, as I do live stream over there every single day, man, and you guys are missing out. So make sure you guys are coming over there. Hope you guys do enjoy the gameplay. Let's get into it. No shot, you just got that.
Located a supply box. Secure that position.
Yep.
Clean up crew, baby. Come on.
I think that shot got a little bit broken, Lawley. Corner.
Got him.
It's AFK, man.
Marking waypoint.
Teammate has entered the gulag. Surviving earns them redeployment.
Excuse me. Yeah, I hit something about 18 times with the P90 here, just about 50 damage.
That P90 is so bad. That P90 is so bad.
There's just a downed guy in the middle of the road. I'm dead.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I got you. I got you.
Be advised. Friendly position here. Gas in front.
Here. Clips 80.
Nice ass.
I got you. I got you.
My
You're good.
what?
Sit tight.
Oh, I'll actually come over your face, like. So you
You
can.
got two speakers on the side of your head.
Where?
23. 23.
We got sniper. Uh-oh.
Gas is inbound.
Right hand to the left.
Safe zone. Throwing back.
He's on the roof.
In the...
Andrew.
Shooting at me.
One shot. Downed.
Only 10 are left.
Smoked it.
Ah, it's he's in the open, yeah, packed armor.
Yeah.
That's packed armor, like a packed armor.
Fine. I got you.
You're the last one on your team. Finish the job.
Oh, he is.
Oh, it is a cheater. Actually, it's a cheater.
He is
Actually, it's a cheater.
cheating.
It actually
Is
is a cheater.
Only 5
Yeah,
left.
genuinely. Yeah, genuinely, yeah.
Level 51.
Genuinely a cheater.
You're messed up.
Actually a cheater.
Less than 5 still standing.
No, like genuinely a cheater.
Is it?
Just leave. I
Learn from
can't
the
go.
loss. Move to secure.
Two.
I'm taking fire.
Okay.
Self-friendly.
Bunny! Bunny! Go into this.
Single shooter.
Sick.
I got you. Got you.
Sick. Yo. They don't have it, bro.
Taking direct fire.
I'm running towards him. One bleed.
No aim assist, baby. No aim assist, man.
I know.
You're up, soldier. Now
Hey,
go
take this.
sort this.
Wait, no. Buy you, dude. Save it. Up that. Bomb, second floor.
Oh my god. I've just wheelied the
Back
thing
one.
down the hill.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
How am I, bro? Alright, I'm alive.
No sweat.
Gas
Rain
is
solo.
closing. Get to the new safe zone.
Rain the solo.
Hang on. Someone on me. I'll come to you now. Ah, no,
Two in yellow house.
yeah.
Frag out.
I can't get to you, man, because these lot are just going to look over
Alright,
me.
cool.
Shall I play them?
Distract them and then just distract
Where?
them.
That was some white, innit?
Rock. Nah, the rocks. The rocks.
Round incoming. Your teammates. If they survive, they can redeploy. Your teammate was sent to the gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
I've got one round. Oh, suffers. Dub.
Taking direct fire.
Can't see him, bro.
Bro, he shit, man. There's two on me, man. Three on me.
Frag out.
I'm better than you, man. I'm sorry. Be nasty.
He's below.
Gone now. Fuck.
Taking fire over here.
I'd have a long range gun.
Yo, my axe is stinky.
We won't talk about that one.
Yeah, we do.
Sniper. I'm going over there on the right. If you can hold him. Oh, push them. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine.
Realistically, what they're going to do?
Kill you?
For a point, they got an M16.
Has gone a couple times.
You got this. I'm getting
Yeah,
hit.
sniper. There's no glint as well. There's still that glitch.
Victory rests on
That
your
behind.
shoulders.
Good. He's good.
He's good.
As if, man.
What do you mean, as
My
if?
God.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Where? That sounded to the left.
Same people.
It's all up to you now.
There's the
Go
left
for
as
the
well.
win.
Far left as well. On the road.
On the road.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Just don't look at them.
Don't. Yeah. They don't know where you are as well, man. I don't know about this.
We got recon online.
UAV entering the AO. Enemy UAV overhead.
There's nothing. Any loot there?
Oh, bro, I shouldn't have got you. That was a poor decision. So this is the Kilo class setup. As you guys probably already know, this is what it is. The monolithic suppressor, the 19.8 Singard Arms Prowler Barrel. If you guys are using anything else but this, I don't know what you're doing. So make sure you guys are putting this on. I don't want you to use anything else. Make sure you guys are using the Commando foregrip, the 60 round mag. If you use the 50, bro, what are you doing? Use the 60, it's so much better. The 100 is just, no, just don't use the 100. And then we got the VLK 3x optic with the T-pose reticle, bro. Zero recoil with this thing. Give this class setup a go, bro. Let me know what you guys think about the Kilo after the AUG nerf. Obviously, it hit marks a lot, but it is still a very, very good weapon. Give it a go. Hope you guys did enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.